At the University of Wisconsin-Madison, it's easier than ever to continue your education and advance your career.
I work for Early Childhood Initiative. I work with itty bitties, 0 to 3, and I've been in this job for 2 years, and when I started, I realized there was a lot that I just didn't know about that age group, and I've been learning every day since I started this job, and I just really wanted to better myself for my clients, for the families that I work with, and to be able to answer their questions without being like, I'll get back to you on that, I have to go look that up. I want to have all the knowledge I can to just help support the families the best I can. The flexibility is really important to me because I want to be and need to be able to focus on both school and work equally. I've always been the person who just wants to do my job really well, and I just had a fear of doing too much at once because I do that. I have a problem of taking on too much. So knowing that about myself, I knew that this program would be good for me because I would have the time to do everything and put all my effort into both work and class. My instructors are effective teachers because they're in the field. They've done this for many years. They have personal experiences. They have stories, which I love. I learn best from stories of your experiences with a family and what actually happened better than I learned from the textbook. And I just think it's so valuable and just so wonderful to have all these experiences around me to just kind of learn from and soak up.